Who make it wrong?
Check. Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. Hope you're having a good one, a wonderful, new year so far. But in this episode, I will be doing a review, reaction, breakdown, everything in the brand new Vybz Kartel Str8 Vibes. And honestly, bro, my listening song and the song give me a give me a nostalgic feeling. You remember when Vybz Kartel dropped the song Go Go Wine and the whole scene in the video, how the video look. And that same vibes that I get from the video, bro. And the other hand, say, no back a girl in the night and wine up, but the vibe just nice. Him and them peers and them students and everybody in that video, bro. And the honestly truth I'm speaking, bro, that song is like a hit already, bro. Big man thing. No bias thing, but that song, yeah, gone a road, bro. Even though alcohol and them rum must sing, but big man meds, bro, that song, yeah, it gone. So let's just jump right in a reaction and play the song, man.
Who make it wrong?
Who make it wrong? Shit. Bro.
Who make it wrong?
Brother. No.
Make ugly girl look like pretty darling. Straight vibes still a money. For your own, cause somebody should have won it. When you want to feel real vibes. When you want to...
Yeah, the man voice just sound refined, you know. When he did the back behind bar and before him come out, it kind of sound rusty, like, like the G get cold up, but big man thing, bro, the voice. The way the man up on the beat, and I control the beat on a level, it's like, I walk in idea, a black cartel you get. Yeah, no, bro. Bro, where the rhythm you come from, dog? Boom, bad. Where the rhythm you come from, dog? Yo, big man heads, come like a Vybz Kartel, have the whole of the authentic dancehall beat them. Hey, TJ, I say TJ, bro, they on a different level with beat. I say that man they Bill Fever rhythm, bro. TJ make that rhythm and big man, bro. That rhythm a shot. No. Bro, this better than Str8 Vibes song, bro. You remember Str8 Vibes? Str8 Vibes, you know, remember Str8 Vibes rhythm, bro, with Vybz Kartel? That song you come like it better than it, you know? That song you in tune with the new era and the modern time. It no sound, it sound young and fresh, bro. Party. Come like from the boss, jump out from Freedom Suite, is that new gear him kicking up. Oh man. The man jumping on a new gear, big man Mets, bro. You know, Vybz Kartel have him look ways them and rare and you know, him have him haters them and people like him, but that song, bro, no bias thing that song are all on a different level, bro. Yeah. A while ago. Somebody else get a cup. If you no vomit, what? When you move on cut, yo. Dog, I sold, yo, 3-piece suit pin down. 3-piece suit up on a different level. You see about 3 different 3-piece suit the man in a video, bro. Body. Come like I own a dancehall in a music video. Yeah, Rebel TC, all of them in another video. All I'm own crew member them in that video, bro.
Nothing cannot stop me. Don't let it off in a party. Somebody else get life.
Bro, nobody your Vybz Kartel drop a liquor song. That liquor song you harder than the one there, no? Mean, yo, right now, the song the 200,000 views in how much hours? 6 hours, bro. It's gone, you know, bro. Nobody can take this from him right now, no? Bombard. Body. Bro, have a wicked vibe, bro. Party. Happy.
Nothing cannot stop me. Don't let it off in a party.
Bro, you can't count out Vybz Kartel, that big man. He's a part of dancehall, so you could never count out a legend like them, man, bro. Big man, mate. But that's the end of the reaction, yeah. You know, I enjoy it out too much, but make me know what you think in the comment section. Make me know if you think that this Ghana road, bro. Cause for me, it Ghana road, you know, whether big side or not, you know, bro. But for me, this Ghana road, that, me not take it back that. You may feel like saying all and cool up, but him not all, brother. From me in I feel a dancer, remember say dancehall is a competitive sport. And from me in the field of dancehall, the competition turn up. And Vybz Kartel say him not done it, remember say him not done until him at 50-50, you know, bro. So you must know him. I'm birthday, him drop something on it. It's so funny how today at January 7th on him strong. And the man drop a hit song. Boom, never seen this before, bro. Never seen this before. But if y'all like the song, let me know in the comment section. And you know, make it represent, bro. Make it represent every time. And you know it go already. Vibes and insights with Nanda. I'm out. Peace.